Okay, you see over here, Pioneer Japan LED. This is an ad by Google. So these ads are being run by Google and other networks. Facebook also run ads on other websites. Times of India also run their ads on their own website as well as other websites. So this is another form of marketing known as display marketing, display ads. In Google, you can run it on more than 3 million websites. Apart from that, other networks are Facebook, on which you can run it on various other websites. You can run it if you want to run it on Times of India. Then you have you can contact them as well, and there are other platforms also. So this is third method of marketing, that is display advertising. Everywhere you go where there is a content site, you will find that these ads were displayed, and these website owners make money out of it as well. Okay, this is third form of advertising. Fourth form of advertising is social media. Okay, like if I go down, I'm not sure which ad I will see. Okay, this is an ad which is showing, because I do a lot of research, I go on various. Does your content strategy need a spark? Here are the 5 tactics. Okay, so this is an ad. This is also an ad running on social media, and not ad on social media. Also, you can advertise through various pages like Spook Whoop is doing that. Okay, this person is promoting himself in various groups. Okay, then again you can see somebody is promoting themselves, and TikTok is running ad on Facebook. Navbharat Times is also showing. So this is also a method to generate traffic, whether through paid medium or unpaid medium. So both are the methods of marketing. Apart from social media, it's not only Facebook. You can do it on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Then next medium of marketing is, or increasing visibility, is YouTube. It's a huge network of increasing your visibility. Let's say I play this song. Okay, look at this. So this ad is being shown by Grammarly to me, and this ad is running. So this is also a very good way of increasing visibility, not only in terms of running ads. You can promote yourself. Okay, you can promote yourself, like I show it to you. Like let's suppose you want digital marketing agency. Okay, I go on Google and search digital YouTube digital marketing agency. Okay, there is an ad also, and apart from that, he's promoting himself. Then there are other people who are promoting and helping you to rank on that. Okay, so there are various ways to market yourself. This is another way of improving your visibility. And apart from that, SMS marketing, QR code marketing, influencer marketing, referral marketing, affiliate marketing. There are others, more than 30 techniques to improve your visibility. Every form of marketing has its own pros and cons. Every single form of marketing has its plus and minuses. For every product, it changes. If I'm marketing a B2B product, I might use LinkedIn. If I'm marketing B2C product, I might choose Facebook. But my B2B product is for certain sections, so I might market it on Facebook as well. So that is also, it's not always a platform is defined like B2B is always on LinkedIn. So that's not true. Okay. There are other methods, other ways of using the same platform with a different content strategy. Okay, I hope you are clear with the different form of Visibility I have talked about.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so okay. I hope rest of you are understanding it.
Yes.
Okay. There is a continuous background. I don't know from whom it is coming. Yeah. Okay. So visibility is critically the most important thing, and why people fail out in digital marketing. A lot of people I have heard, don't take it for anyone. I'm not thinking about them. A lot of people talk about digital marketing, increasing visibility, and they mostly say we will do organic. No, initially I will be coming to digital marketing strategies later on, but initially organic will never work. You have to start with paid media and build the organic path, because organic takes time to build it. So slowly and gradually you build the organic, and till the time initially you have to do paid media to get the traffic, instant business, and from that instant business and profits you can invest into the organic part and grow your company. That is how in digital marketing businesses work. But most of the businesses expect a lot of returns from organic initially, which is not easy or not possible. Okay, so I hope everyone has seen this ad. In 2014, everyone saw and then voted for him. And 2014, not only that, 2019 as well. So that was display marketing. So which a lot of people focused on.